Hello, I wanted to show you what I harvested today from the garden. So these are paste tomatoes that I've harvested. Beautiful deep red color. You can see they're not very big, but my tomato plants are pushing out tons and tons of fruit. I don't know if they know that the end is near, but every few days when I go out, I get about this many tomatoes that I'm off of the plants. And I planted about 7 paste tomato plants in the spring, late spring, early summer, and they're still producing tons of fruit. So I usually use these for making tomato sauce, marinara sauce, pizza sauce, things of that nature that my family and I can use throughout the year for cooking. And I have about 9 or 10 gallon size Ziploc bags of these tomatoes in my deep freezer. So I actually have quite a few that I need to do something with as well. I plan to use those to make sauces and things of that nature. So just haven't had the time to do so. So I just take them and stick them in the freezer so that they can stay fresh. But what I will probably do with this batch is, like I said, make some tomato sauce. So I'll try to record a video showing that process. Is pretty straightforward. I've actually pared it down to a few very simple steps based on what I've found on YouTube. I don't like to overcomplicate things, and I'm not too heavy into canning in terms of like pressure canning and things of that nature. So I had to find something that works for me. So I'll try to show that in an upcoming video in case anyone's interested. A few other things that I harvested while I was out there was a very large cucumber, which is probably a little overripe. It was sort of hiding behind another plant, so brought that inside. We'll use that for something. Some peppers. These are banana peppers, the lighter ones, and then this is a Cubanelle pepper, which is a little bit on the spicy side. And then some bell peppers, and also some fish peppers, which these are although they're really small, they're very spicy. A lot of people use these for making hot sauces. I sometimes use them in my salsa that I make. So I'll add these to the stash of fish peppers that I've harvested thus far.